Hello everyone, today is maintaining the geraniums part 2. So I'm going to follow up on the previous video and give you an update. This is something that I do on a daily basis. I usually come out and inspect all of the annuals and the perennials, and I just wanted to show you the placement of this geranium that we worked on the other day. It is on a hook that is on the building that I mentioned that we may turn into a studio. We've got a lot of projects ahead, so like I said, we haven't made a final decision on that. So today I just want to give you an update and let you know that there are some things that I do still need to do. I can see some leaves have turned a little brown, so I'll work on that. I did water them, and I think it's time to apply some fertilizer. I'll put that information below so that you'll know what I use. So this geranium looks wonderful here on the building. I'm very happy with it, and I will give you some more information on it as time goes by. But this is an update today and a continuation of the maintenance. So I'm at the other location where the second geranium, I did the maintenance on that following the first geranium. I purchased these at the same time, so I'm sure they came from the same original garden center. This one I had to really cut back, trim back, and deadhead. This one just seemed to need more maintenance, and because of that, there really aren't any leaves to say. Down at the bottom it's not as full, and you can see that there is some other maintenance that needs to be done, like a browning of some things that I didn't see, because when I removed all the leaves, then some things were exposed. The other thing is while it is exposed like this, it's not as full. It's not as full on this side, really. It's fuller on this side. But this location here is a location, I call it the nursery. If there's an annual, a hanging annual, or I bring my hanging houseplants out, and I usually will work on them, hanging them up on the post here. I'm going to do a garden tour at some point so that you guys can really see the location of everything and what I do. But again, I think that it's important for us to focus on the plants. So I'll do another update here very soon, but I just wanted to keep you all up to date on what's going on in the garden. So another thing today I noticed is there's a lot of debris on the leaves, and I like to just spray them down so that the pores on the leaves are open and there's not all this debris on it. What happens here living on the coast, as you all know, because I've told you all previously, is that we get a lot of wind, and there's construction work sometimes going on, so we'll get all different types of debris. But what a lovely morning it is here. So I'm just fascinated by the morning. It's a very comfortable temperature, and it's a nice day to be out in the gardens. So the original placement for this second geranium is over in that area, right where the chimes are. I put the chimes back there. Usually I have them over here when I'm not, you know, maintaining a plant. So it does look really nice there, and I will update you when I move it back so that you all can see that. So to recap, today on the geraniums, I will fertilize and also make sure that the debris has been sprayed off of the leaves. So again, since it's a lovely day, I'm going to continue the maintenance on the geraniums and some other annuals in the garden, and I will update you on all of that. Check out all the videos, the previous videos. Again, it's not just updating, it's also giving you some information on what's going on here in the coastal gardens. Have a great day, everyone. Thanks for joining me. Happy gardening!